Ache in my head, pain in my heart, no yellow on belly or jelly in spine. If life is a bitch, I tell her she's mine. Like, look in my eyes, bitch, tell me it's mine. I'll take the blame, guilt weighing me down. I am not who I'm supposed to be. All the lies keep me up at night. It's been too long since I had a dream, just been blacking out. Wayne, my world's different. I see the shade, but I'm still cool. Cut the tension with a fan blade. Hope you haters feel it when I breathe through. I can't stay in chat unless we talking snack. Niggas snake guys cause they see low green. But all I see is ribbons in the sky for everything we lost and everything we need. Welcome to the league. Everyone gets wet here. Whether dipping six, jumping off the porch, or for getting their umbrellas. It's sink or swim, but we all float. There's something different on this block. 9/11 is a joke, and so is 911. Can't run from it. No. Belly of the beast, homie. Tell me, can you stomach it? Glitch and gag reel and it's on repeat. Yeah, I'm from the shits. But we all decide who we're gonna be. What's the honeycomb hideout? Around here it ain't nothing sweet. Ache in my head, pain in my heart, no yellow on belly or jelly in spine. If life is a bitch, I tell her she's mine. Like, look in my eyes, bitch, tell me it's mine. I'll take the blame. 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 Just weighing me down. I am not who I'm supposed to be. All the lies keep me up at night. It's been too long since I had a dream. I just been blacking out. 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 Trust me, our world's different. World's different.
My past was for my present is for my future. So every day I hustle, my struggle's gonna produce the fruits of my labor, give birth to my dreams. And you haters' nightmares, I can't wait to hear the scream. Staring through the glass at my last bit of liquor, thinking about the past and all the classes life put me into. I'm who I am cause I passed some and failed others, but I'm the teacher's pet, experience I love. But cats thought I was square, ain't see that I was well-rounded. I wish them well, most couldn't swim, so that well they drowned in. Now I'm yachting over these fools, they fish food. So when I grill up that marlin, I'm eating them too. Yeah, and that just makes me stronger, motivates me to do shit they said I'd never conquer. My mantra is fuck it, that's what I'm made for. The driving me is cancerous, it's in stage 4. Terminal. That's why I'm so fly. Y'all niggas couldn't delay me with no sky, overcharging them for their baggage. I'm a savage. Your boy is up a single mind until I'm multi-focused. Thunderbird to Clico, rhyming to beluga caviar. I couldn't stand that lane, I had to carry on. Those who've been down with me, I'm gon' carry y'all. Those who acted holier than thou, I'ma bury y'all. Ain't a success yet, but on the road, here we are. Courage, brain, and heart, shoulders strong enough to carry ours. And I'm right at home, got my heels kicked up. Drinking from the fountain of truth, I'm on my 6th cup. Ingesting lies is bad for a liver, can't damage a kidney. Bandage it up and kiss him. Listen, you hear the sneakers on the power lines. Apple don't fall far from the tree, so this is our time. Yeah, my father's time, he abused my mother nature. My sister's a soldier, me I'm just full of hatred. Insecurities and low self-esteem, double cupped on the field, so when it hit I barely lean. I'm such a stand-up guy.